What's up everyone, it's the Nomad Brad, and in this video we're going to talk about an easy trick to double your affiliate commissions. If you want to learn more about how to make money online with affiliate marketing, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon. Alright, so let's talk about it. It's an easy trick to double, maybe even way more, your affiliate commissions. And yeah, let's jump right in. So you've probably heard of this, but I really want to take the time to emphasize that you really need to start using it. It really is easy, and let's just talk about why it works and how I found out. So a while ago I was trying to promote some offers that I thought were just amazing, and I was wondering, why isn't anybody signing up? I have this list of people. I know that they would love it if they actually tried out the product. I was sending them to a sales page that my thinking, coming from the paid traffic world, was, you know, if it's a high converting sales letter, then you just need to send people to it and it will convert. And for the most part, that is true. However, I've learned that if you're doing more like personal type sales, whether it's on social media, YouTube channel, or email marketing, then the equation changes a little bit. And then we get into what's known as relationship marketing. So if you're doing relationship marketing in any way, which includes sending out emails to an email list, sending out, in a Facebook group, doing a YouTube channel, anything like that, then this tactic is extremely powerful. It literally could not only double your commissions, but maybe 10x or even more your commissions. And that's what it did for me. So I want to share that with you. So I was trying to promote a product, specifically the One Funnel Away Challenge, which I think is an amazing product. I've taken it. I love it. And when it first came out, everybody was promoting it. I saw these affiliates making tons of money, and I thought, finally, this is great. This is perfect for my audience. They're going to love it. It's a no-brainer, right? Like, it's $100 to get coaching and daily training and all this cool, exciting stuff, and you get to learn how to build effective sales funnels and get traffic and all this amazing crap. It's just like the entire everything you need to build an online business in one place for $100. I just thought this is an absolute no-brainer. So, and that sales page obviously is working really well. Russell Brunson and the Clickfunnels team put tons of time and effort and paid the top people to write the copy and put it all together. So all I need to do is send the link to my people and they're going to buy it, right? Well, no, they didn't. Nobody did. Basically, actually, I think 0 people actually bought. And I was just so confused and frustrated. I was like, how can people not be interested in this product? I know they're interested. They got to be, right? Like, they're like me, people on my list are like me. So I'm interested in this product. I want it. How can they not want it? And so I was really bummed out, and I thought, well, maybe I'm just missing the mark. Maybe people on my list really aren't interested in this product. Somehow, I don't know. And then I started to learn from some other successful marketers in the relationship marketing space, and I heard that nearly everybody started talking about one thing, which is bonuses. So if you've ever bought anything from, in the online marketing space, then, or really any information product, then you've probably seen what is called a bonus stack. And that is where, well, let's, for example, let's look at the One Funnel Away Challenge specifically, right? This is a great example of a bonus stack. So, this sales copy is just to like get you interested in the product, whatever. But look at all of these things that they put together. This is more of an offer stack, I guess, but like, well, yeah. So bonuses. The bonuses are physical copy, the MP3 player, the 30 days, blah 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 blah. Now, I thought this should be good enough. This is an amazing sales page. It's got all these bonuses built right into the offer. Why would I? It seems silly because people said you need to offer your own bonuses on top of this offer. And I said, well, this offer already has 5 bonuses that are really valuable. Why would I need to add more bonuses on top of what's already here. You might think that, right? You might agree with me. And I did think that, and that's why I just sent people straight to the sales page. Boy, was I wrong. Nobody was interested in buying. Nobody bought, even though this sales page has made millions of dollars, and I think it's perfect for the audience. But what I found out from people who are smarter than me is that even if an offer is amazing and it has incredible bonuses and stuff, if you're doing relationship marketing where you're the one, helping people to make buying decisions, then you need to offer additional bonuses on top of the bonuses that exist. So if you're doing JV promotions, joint venture, if you're promoting things to your email list, if it's anything where your own name is involved, then you need to have bonuses to offer on top of the bonuses. And then I heard this really great story from one of the Dream Car affiliate marketers. A Dream Car winner is basically somebody who's referred at least 100 people to the Clickfunnels affiliate program, and Clickfunnels pays for their car. So I heard this story from a guy named Fong, and you can see his bonus pack here, which I'll talk about more in a second. He tells the story of how he actually had the top ranking for an SEO article about ClickFunnels, like ClickFunnels review, and he got tons of traffic for a couple of years on his blog. He was at the top for this really coveted spot, and you'd think that the money would just start pouring in if you ranked for ClickFunnels review, right? You're getting tons of people, they're highly qualified, they should be ready to buy ClickFunnels already. They just need a button to click. But in his experience, he didn't really make that many sales from it. And he was really confused and frustrated, just the same way that I was, right? These are really highly qualified people who are already looking for the product. And he kind of did the same thing. He went out and tried to figure out what was wrong. He asked some people who were more successful than him at the time at achieving what he wanted to achieve, which was getting more referrals to ClickFunnels. And they said the same thing. They said, gotta offer bonuses. So he went out and he built this bonus stack, and he offered it on top of all the other things you already get when you join ClickFunnels. And this is what happened to his commissions. And by the way, this is basically what happened to my commissions. Not the level here, but I was trying to promote One Funnel Away. I tried to promote it. They did it once a month. Nobody bought the first time, and then the second time I added bonuses, and I made my first like $600 or $700 in commissions from promoting the One Funnel Away challenge. And basically every time I've tried to add bonuses on top of an offer that already is great, I have made more sales. So it's worked every single time from now on. I'm just gonna keep offering bonuses, even though I kind of think it's silly from a philosophical standpoint, because the offer is already great and you're already going to like it. Why do you need bonuses from me to convince you of that? But it doesn't matter. I'm a marketer. I let the market speak for itself. And if you're a marketer, then you should do the same. You should listen to this principle, which works and will always work. People love to get bonuses. Just remember that. People love bonuses. Now I'm starting to learn a bit of like how to refine the bonus offers and make them kind of better. But if you don't have anywhere to start, and this was my frustration too, is I didn't have bonuses, and I said, well, what am I supposed to do with it's 4 bonuses, right? Well, I'll show you a couple options here, and they're where I recommend you start if you don't have any bonuses on your own. So number 1 is something called PLR, which you may have heard of. It's called PLR, private label rights. And basically there are, articles, books, and even training courses, video programs that have been created just for the purpose of letting other people use them. And you buy the rights to reuse those products. So you can just go to Google and search, whatever niche you're in or whatever problem you're looking to solve. Let's say you're looking to do smoothies, like smoothie recipes or something. Let's see if they have anything here. Okay, so right here. So So you could go to Google and just type in smoothie recipe PLR, and you'll get a whole bunch of different things. Some of them are articles, some of them are ebooks, some of them are video courses. But the point is, you buy the rights to use them. And some of them allow you to actually just sell the product on your own. Some of them allow you to give them away as bonuses. Some of them allow you to use it as a lead gen, a lead magnet. So if you really don't know where to start with bonuses, then I highly recommend that you check out this site. It's called IDPLR. There are other PLR sites out there, but what I like about IDPLR is they do have a free membership, but I actually signed up for the lifetime membership, which is a one-time payment of like 97 bucks. And you can just forever have access to any of the new PLR products that they get access to. And they're always adding new things to their library. Plus, they already have thousands of products for just about every niche you can think of. So you can see here, there's this green smoothie cleanse product. It looks like an ebook or something. And it also has a video upgrade as an upsell. So the crazy part is you can actually just sell these products. Like you could actually just create your own shopping cart. You could use Clickfunnels or whatever, and just literally send people to this and sell it yourself. They give you the rights to sell it, or you can use it for bonuses, which is what we're talking about. Smoothie PLR pack, green smoothie lifestyle. They have articles, they have ebooks, all this stuff. Now you're going to want to take a look at the products to make sure that they're of a good quality. That's the only thing with these PLR products. Some of them are just, farmed out to, almost all of them are farmed out to the cheapest writers and stuff. So, but there are some good ones, especially in some of the niches where like very precise, up-to-date information isn't that essential, right? So this is a great example, like green smoothie cleanse, it'd be a perfect thing. Now, specifically if you're in the like affiliate marketing or marketing niche or whatever, then I would actually recommend you go a different direction for your bonuses, and you actually just pick up the exact same bonuses that Fong has used to create his dream car success. Cool thing is he sells it as what he calls the bonus power pack. And so when you pick up the bonus power pack, which you can find a link to below, then below the video, you also get some other cool stuff. So number one, he gives you the rights to give away some of it, and then the other stuff you get to use personally to grow your business. So there's some really cool stuff here. I just got it a few days ago. I'm really excited. These are 4 pieces of software which you can use for yourself in your own business, but you also get the rights to give away as part of your bonus stack. So you can see here, you can literally have this same bonus stack or part of it. Like you can use this piece and these pieces as part of your bonuses forever for anything that you promote. You can read the specific details on Chris's sales page, which again you can find a link to below. This thing is really awesome, CF Follow-Up Pro. I just set that up for myself. If you're interested in promoting ClickFunnels as an affiliate, this thing's just incredible. It's a done-for-you automation that helps convert people from like trials into customers of ClickFunnels. So that's something you get when you buy Chris's bonus pack. But I just think this is a great place to start. If you don't have any bonuses, then now you have proven awesome bonuses that get people to convert, get people excited, especially if you're promoting ClickFunnels or Builderall. He uses the same bonuses to promote Builderall. But so the link below the video is, a link. It's my affiliate link. I have 2 links. One is to IDPLR. That's my affiliate link. And if you sign up for either of them, and the other link is to Chris's bonus pack. If you sign up to either of them to start increasing your bonus game, then I'm offering a bonus too, to sign up to the bonuses. So it's getting bonus crazy up in here. But so this is, I have an offer here, and basically I want to give you something else to add to your bonus stack and also another product to sell. Now it's only going to be helpful to you if you're in the affiliate marketing or marketing space, anything marketing, online business related, then I think this could be helpful to you. Basically, I want to give you resell rights, white label access to my book called Affiliate Traffic Secrets. I've used the book to generate thousands of dollars in sales, And I just think it's a really great guide to getting started with affiliate marketing. So other people in other industries might be interested in that as well. Shows you how to get traffic from free traffic methods and how affiliate marketing works. It's kind of an overview, how to choose a niche in a product, where to find products, and how to get traffic from social media, from SEO. And you can give it away as part of your bonus stack. You can also, if you're interested in just selling the book on your own and having a new product to sell to your audience, then I'll give you my funnel that you can use to just import into your Clickfunnels account and sell the book on your own. You can sell it for however much you want. I've usually sold it for anywhere from $5 to $7 as like a tripwire product, and it's worked really well. You can also use it as an order bump or an upsell to other products. So if you have a product that people are already buying and you just want to add this book to as an order bump. And lastly, I'll give you the best emails that I've used to send to promote this book to my list, the email swipes. So, oh yeah, the only thing I would ask is that you're not allowed to modify the book itself in any way, but you can feel free to change the sales copy or any of the funnel pages. You can make whatever changes you want, but just don't change the book itself. That is my work, I guess. So if you pick up the bonus power pack, or if you sign up to the lifetime access of IDPLR, then I will send over these bonuses. There's instructions down below, or you can go to the nomadbrad.com/bonus power pack if you're interested in the bonus power pack, or the nomadbrad.com/PLR if you're interested in grabbing access to the IDPLR website. So that's it. That's bonuses. Burn it into your mind. Oh, by the way, this is Affiliate Traffic Secrets. You can see what it looks like. It's an ebook. It's got some really great information in there. So what do you think about bonuses? Have you experienced this yourself? Do you like getting bonuses when you're a customer? I know I definitely do. But for some reason, it kind of eluded me. It just seemed like it wouldn't be that effective, but I'm telling you, it is effective. So go ahead, add bonuses to your next promotion and see what happens. Let me know. Drop me some comments, and I will see you on the next video.